Today is the day that it goes in the water. It's on the trailer. This trailer's pretty cool. A lot of people have asked how it goes in. I think it has a remote control too, so all these pieces move, get wider and narrower, up and down.
One guy likes to see me smoke. How about go to this new guy? See him smoking all smoke go on the side of him before we get going down here.
You can tie up on all that stuff, it's lagged in there. My tie-offs were going to be the 2x6 rail because it's got 1.5 inches behind it. We're in the water.
To see where we're going.
They're towing it with that little John boat.
I believe this is the right road. Yeah.
This is so awesome. This has been a long, hard job. Oh.
And cause problems and not give you full release on the chain, which is what you want.
It just wants to put some tension on the back. Here's where she once sat. Clean up my little bit of mess here, and then I'm heading down to the boat. So the boat is in the water. I'll give you a little tour now. Rebuilt the helm completely. Got little sliding doors underneath. Used some of the components that were on the fly bridge. Transfer switch. U-shaped seating. It's about the width of what it would be in a camper for bunk beds, and this is 6 foot, 8 foot, 6 foot. So room for sleeping up here. Stairs, carpeted, cabinets, air conditioner. This air conditioner will go in that hole, and I built a little shroud to go around it. Table. This all folds down. The cushions go across for more sleeping here. Cabinets, refrigerator, microwave, back sleeping area. This is a queen size bed, and it's on a hinged door so that I can open it up and have storage under there. Almost everything in here runs off a battery. Bathroom. Little pantry area. Got a water heater under here that will heat everything. It's turned off right now to save on power. That runs on generator. So generator will run the big stuff, the AC power. I have solar that is charging the batteries. I got 4 109 amp hour batteries that run all the lights, the water pump, the refrigerator. So that the refrigerator runs 24 hours a day. All the big stuff though. There's special dedicated inverter switch for that. Fridge. Lower sleeping berth. 2 twin beds in here. LED lights for around inside there. I still have to paint the upper everything above this deck needs painted. We did do the blue stripe so I could put some of the trim on. I had a bar up here, but I tore it out because it took up too much space, and I had the griddle top in there, and it was just going to make too much oily film on everything. So I took out the bar. Got a couple chairs. I'll get some more, but this is way nicer now, so that we can sit up here. You know, after a long day, you're going to want to hide from the sun. I have generator. Got the engine bay open. I just put it on the water. Griddle top now back here that we can roll out and use in this open area. The slide is beefed up. We can handle just about anybody. These are 2x6s on the side. Upper deck 1. Bimini top. It's an 8-footer. Got a few chairs. Upper deck 2. Bimini top. 8-footer. Some more chairs. 400 watts of solar. So far it's doing just good. I've had it running for a week and not had an issue. I think it looks pretty good. I had a few negative comments that said that I should just, I don't know, keep the sink or something and throw the rest away. Well, a lot of hard work, lots of hard work. In fact, this was way more than I thought it would be, but got her done. Well, almost. We still got to paint some. I got some spots to touch up, but we can play on it. I can do all that other stuff out here.